How to get girls only on OmeTV. So if you want to get girls only on OmeTV, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Chrome browser and search for Chrome Web Store. And open up your Chrome Web Store.google.com and then go with search extensions. And under your extensions, you need to search for video chat extension. Once you search for the extension, here you will have the extension for video chat. So just go with add to Chrome, which is on the right side, and then go with add extension. And under the extension here, you can just simply scroll down and you will have open pop-up, or you can also go with the sidebar. Now you can scroll down, make sure to pin the extension. And here on the extension, you will have an option of gender recognition. Here you will have universal platform, precise geolocation, outstanding security, and you may also have the option of gender recognition. You just need simply go with gender recognition. So go with settings, which is on the top right, and you can turn on the option of skip men. You will have skip men option, but in my case or in my region it's not available. I don't have the extension, or I don't have that option to skip men. So you can simply go with the extension. On the background you need to go with the OmeTV. Open up your OmeTV and then go with the extension, which is on the top right, and scroll down and then go with sign in and continue, allow the access. And after that you can go with the settings of the extension and then turn on the option of skip men under your gender recognition. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.